Welcome to Our Daily Health Abs Workout. 20 exercises for a smaller waist in 2 weeks. A jiggly wiggly midsection is easy to get, but getting rid of it is an uphill task. The truth is, everybody has abs. However, it's the layer of fat in your belly that keeps them from showing. If you want to have that six-pack and maintain them all year round, you must exercise regularly and take a proper diet. You can do practical exercises to help you trim that belly within no time. Twisting, planks, and crunches are among the exercises that can help you. Below is an abs workout list to help you have a smaller waist in 2 weeks. Abs workout, 20 exercises for a smaller waist in 2 weeks. Number 1, plank. Adding the plank in your exercise is non-negotiable as it targets more muscles than most workouts. Start by kneeling while resting your butt on the heels. Walk your hands as you ensure your wrists are under your shoulders and legs straight at the back, like the push-up pose. Hold on to that position for 30 to 60 seconds each time. Perform 3 sets and remember to rest in between the moves. Number 2, reverse crunch. This perfect workout fires up your transverse abdominis, obliques, and rectus abdominis without straining your neck. Lie down on your back, raise your legs, but keep your knees bent and hands on the floor. Bring your knees to the chest until the thighs are at 90 degrees while keeping your feet together. Inhale and lift your hips from the floor and bring your knees closer towards your chest. Continue with this movement as you ensure you take your knees as far as possible. Return to the start position in a controlled move and repeat. Number 3, standing cross crunches. The standing cross crunches focus on your obliques and abs. They may also help to burn fat in your thighs. Start by standing on a mat with your hands behind your head. Bend your left arm and shift your knee towards the right elbow. Rotate your torso, ensure your knee and elbow touch. Return to the initial position and repeat the exercise with the other side at least 30 times. Number 4, windshield wipers. Windshield wipers will sculpt your abs within no time. On a mat, lie on your back while putting your hands on the floor on your sides for support. Raise your legs while bending your knees and place them on your left. Rotate your legs from side to side without touching the floor, then hold on to this position for a few seconds. Slowly return to your initial pose and repeat the same with your right side at least 30 times. Number 5, bicycle crunches. Now, this is one of the best ab workouts. If executed well, you will have those abs you've been looking for quickly. Start by lying down on a mat, your lower back pressing on the floor, shoulders, head slightly raised, and both hands touching the sides of your head. Raise one of your legs from the ground, extend it out, raise the other as you bend the knee towards your chest. Twist your core so that your opposite arm comes towards your raised knee. Simultaneously, lower your leg and arm as you bring up the opposite limbs to mirror the movement. Continue alternating sides until you do 10 reps on each side. Number 6, dumbbell side bend. All you need is a dumbbell for you to perform this simple workout. The dumbbell side bend works perfectly on your abs, leaving them lean. Stand with your hips width apart while holding a dumbbell on your right hand. Place your left arm behind your head, bend to the right side as far as you feel comfortable, and stop. Repeat with the other side to complete 3 sets. Number 7, heel touches. As simple as they sound, the heel touches target your abs and obliques and may help to strengthen and tighten your abs effectively. Lie on your back while keeping your knees bent, feet and back flat on the floor. Crunch forward on your left to touch your left heel using your left hand. Slowly return to the starting point and repeat with your right side. Number 8, plank hip dips. The plank hip dips will help trim your waist as well as strengthen your obliques and abs. Start in a plank position with your body straight, bend your elbows and keep your feet apart. Rotate your hips to the right while almost dipping your hips to the floor, then to your left side and keep alternating sides for a minute. Number 9, starfish crunch. The starfish crunch is an excellent exercise for sculpting your waist. All you need to do is lie down on a mat while extending your arms and legs to make an X position. Lift your upper body and legs off the ground until your elbows touch the knees. Engage your torso to come up. Stay in this position for a second and then slowly go back to the starting point. Repeat the starfish crunches 20 times. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 10. Side jackknives is another perfect abs workout. To get your abs from hiding, do the side jackknives. They work on your obliques, abs, and glutes while leaving you looking awesome. On a mat or carpet, lie down on your right side while keeping your feet together. Place your left hand at the back of your head while you focus your attention on the obliques and raise your feet. Hold on to this pose for a second while touching the mat with your shoulders or feet. Repeat the exercise 15 times on both sides. Number 11. Oblique V-Crunch. This workout engages your obliques and the abdominal wall. The obliques V-Crunch tone your abs and shape your waist while strengthening your core. Lie on your right side with legs fully straightened and your left arm behind your head. Raise your legs and torso simultaneously and try touching your left knee with your left elbow while squeezing your abs. Switch sides and repeat the exercise. Number 12. Side plank hip lifts. The side plank hip lifts are excellent exercises that engage the deep abdominal muscles and help shrink and tighten the waistline. Start by lying in a side plank position, your body in a straight line. Lower your hip without letting it touch the floor, and then lift it back to the side plank position. Complete one set and repeat with the other side. Number 13. Waist Slimmer Squat. This exercise is straightforward and, as the name suggests, it works magic on your waist. It works on your abs, obliques, and lower back. Stand with shoulders width apart while holding a dumbbell with both hands. Rotate your core to the right while extending your arms and lift the dumbbell parallel to the floor. Squat as you rotate to the left and bring the dumbbell across your body diagonally until it's near the left hip. Repeat and switch sides. Number 14. Boat Pose. The boat pose is a stellar exercise for working out the lower abs. Start by sitting upright and bend the knees while keeping your feet flat on the floor. Lean back to comfortably balance yourself with the sit bones and slowly lift your legs off the floor. Straighten your arms, palms facing up to form a V shape. Stay in that pose for 30 seconds. 15. Plank Crawl Out. This exercise works on your abdominal muscles as well as increasing your intensity. It is simple, and you can even do it in the comfort of your own home. Stay in the plank position, shoulder width apart, elbows planted on the ground, and legs straight behind you. While in that position, move 2 to 3 steps forward and force other actions backward, then side to side. It tones your abs and trims down your waist effectively. Number 16. Glute Bridges. The glute bridge is another excellent abs workout. It engages your obliques and abdominals as you try to maintain balance and support your weight, putting pressure on those areas. Lie down on your back on a mat, bend your knees, and keep your hands down on your sides. Raise your hips from the floor as you keep your abs drawn in and squeeze your glutes. Hold on to this position for a couple of minutes and then ease down. Do 2 sets of 10 bridges 3 times a week. Number 17. Jump Rope Skipping. You wouldn't have thought of this, but it works wonders on your waistline. The jump rope raises your metabolic rate and makes you tighten your core simultaneously, making it even more effective. Grab your jump rope and skip as fast as you can for 40 seconds and then rest for 15 seconds. Repeat 5 times with breaks between. This one you can do daily for a slimmer waist. Number 18. Swiss Ball Rollouts. It seems the planks have so many variations, right? Well, the exercise starts with your arms on the Swiss ball or the elbows. Stay in a plank position and then roll the ball forward slightly. Hold that pose for 3 seconds and roll back to the start position. The back and forth movement you are doing in a stable manner and control puts pressure on your abs, lower back muscles, and obliques, making it a fantastic core exercise. 19. Goblet Squat. The goblet squat is a fantastic waist slimming workout as it ensures your abdomen is worked correctly. It is also a strength training exercise. You will need a kettlebell for this exercise. Stand and hold the kettlebell close to your chest. Squat as you ensure your head is up and back straight. When you are at the bottom, pause briefly and push out your knees using your elbows. Return to the starting point to complete 1 rep. Complete at least 10 to 20 reps. Number 20, hip thrusts. This workout is influential in shaping your waist while making it smaller. If you want to make your waist smaller, then the hip thrust is for you. Lie down on your back and bend your knees while pressing your back on the floor. Place your hands on the sides and raise your hips as high as possible. Your feet and shoulders should remain on the floor. Thrust your hips up and squeeze your butt cheeks together. Then lower down and return to the initial position. Start with 12 thrusts and increase as you get accustomed. The bottom line: if abs and a smaller waist are one of your goals right now, you had better work consistently towards it. Remember, it is achievable. Yes, it is, provided you put in the effort. Some of these abs workouts do not require any equipment and are easy to do, meaning you can do them even at home. Choose a few exercises, start working out immediately, and bid that jiggly, wiggly midsection goodbye. Which abs workout do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.